In the late 1980s, a secret project began, inside Pininfarina's design studios in Cambiano, Italy. It was ordered by Prince Geoffrey Bolkiah, brother of the Sultan of Brunei, a passionate collector whose private garage is legendary. The task was to build a completely new Ferrari, unseen by the public for the coming decade. The man chosen to design it was Enrico Fumia, one of Pininfarina's most talented engineers and stylists, already responsible for cars like the Alfa Romeo 164 and GTV. Fumia called the project F90, short for Ferrari of the 90s. He wanted to imagine how the brand's design language could evolve beyond the Testarossa era while keeping Ferrari's identity intact. Underneath, the car used the mechanical base of the Ferrari Testarossa, a 4.9-litre flat 12 engine producing around 390 horsepower, a 5-speed manual gearbox, and rear-wheel drive. But everything visible was completely new. Fumia's team relocated the radiators from the sides to the front, allowing a smoother, cleaner silhouette. The sharp side strakes of the Testarossa disappeared, replaced by fluid, aerodynamic curves. A dramatic, sliding Targa-style roof overlapped the rear window, one of the car's most complex engineering features. Only the wheels and mirrors were carried over from the donor chassis. Fumia later said it was the most complicated and sophisticated prototype ever built by Pininfarina. Testing took place mostly at night, with camouflaged bodywork and no Ferrari badges. Even Maranello itself was unaware of the project. It was entirely private, built in total secrecy for Brunei. 6 examples were completed between 1988 and 1990, each shipped directly to the royal collection. None were ever shown publicly or officially acknowledged by Ferrari at the time. The world only learned of the Ferrari F90's existence more than a decade later, when Fumia revealed it in his book Enrico Fumia, Concept Design. There, he described his philosophy, what he called the identity cycle, understanding a brand's design DNA, then reinterpreting it for the future. The F90 was the purest expression of that idea. Technically, it remained close to the Testarossa. Same chassis, same drivetrain, but dressed in bodywork that pointed to the aerodynamic forms of the 1990s. Each car remains hidden in Brunei, and none have ever been sold or publicly photographed in full detail. If one were to appear today, experts estimate its value between $2 and $4 million. Though its real worth lies in its mystery. The Ferrari F90 stands as a fascinating artifact. A true Ferrari, built without Ferrari's knowledge, shaped by Enrico Fumia's vision, and forever locked away in royal secrecy.